Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Simran. I hope you are doing well. So today's video is about people close to me. As coincidentally, Friendship Day and Raksha Bandhan is together. So today we have two special guests. One is my very close friend Sunidhi and my twin brother. We gave a very special appearance in the last video. I think the video task is who knows me better. I have expectations from both. Let's see. I am very excited to know who will win.
I am gonna win.
Now let's see.
So without wasting the time, let's get into the video. So guys, game is such. So I'm going to ask few questions from both of them simultaneously, and I will see who knows me better. And I'm giving you these papers. And guys, let me tell you, I have a special gift for the winner. So let's start, guys. So first question is, who is the guy friend who has annoyed me in school the most?
I know.
I definitely know it.
So Sunidhi, answer.
Rishabh, undoubtedly.
Karthik.
Same, Rishabh.
Pakka.
But I didn't quite watch the irritation.
So second one is, what is my favorite word which I speak in every sentence? I think Sunidhi को पक्का पता होगा ये. Because एक बार she told me Simran ये word थोड़ा कम use किया करो. I hope so.
I know.
Let's start with Sarthak.
Actually,
Oh my god, these guys.
Because you actually speak it a lot.
you speak actually a lot.
Yeah.
So these guys are on the same page.
Ever.
तो फिर अपनी ऑडियंस को बता देना ये स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं है एक्चुअली हमें नहीं पता क्वेश्चन
Guys,
Same
I
answer
swear they tried to bribe me on that, but I didn't.
I did not hear it.
Yeah, he did. He tried to bribe me because he was with me
Like
since
you.
morning, and he was like, please, yaar, bata de, but I didn't. So they know me. Okay, I'm happy, guys. So third one is, what is my dream place to go?
Like vacation.
Like dream vacation place.
Yeah, where I wish. Sarthak, you know, please, I talk about it every time.
I don't
This is cheating. Sunidhi को नहीं पता थी guys मैंने देख लिया है. Sarthak कोई point अभी मैंने देखा because इसको नहीं पता.
मैंने नहीं देखा.
So it's Paris, obviously.
Paris, yeah, that's right.
सुनिधि को नहीं पता था, सार्थक को पता था, and
But ये मैंने लिख दिया ना दोनों के लिए जाएगा स्कोर.
No.
Sorry,
obviously
Sunidhi.
no.
So Sarthak is leading with 1.3
एकदम भाई के साथ.
and 2. Okay, guys. So if I could eat one thing for the rest of my life, what it could be?
Yeah, it's kind of from the place.
नहीं, but मेरे इससे भी ज़्यादा कुछ favorite है जिसके बिना मैं नहीं रह सकती. I've seen what you've written, but
I don't
okay.
know.
Sunidhi
I-
first. Sunidhi first.
Pizza?
No, not at all. Sarthak fast, yaar.
I have written two actually. Either it's pasta or rajma chawal.
No, guys, I'm really sorry कि pasta you were close, but then इससे भी ज़्यादा मेरा कुछ favorite है, that is pickle. I can live with it.
But that's not a.
That's a eating thing, pickle.
No,
It's-
If
yeah,
I could
exactly.
eat one thing for the rest of my
You
life,
can't.
You can't eat pickle for the rest of your life,
Yeah.
yeah.
but then I go with pasta. Okay, let me tell you.
Pickle is not a meal.
Yeah, it's a
Let
side.
us tell you.
But then, so the next one is, who is my first friend? Okay, so let's start with Sunidhi.
It's Yukti.
I wrote myself.
Self-obsessed.
So I'm like.
It was good. It was good attempt, but sorry,
No, I was
Sarthak
like,
was
it's
my
good.
first friend. You're my brother. I know you're my
But
friend
you-
also, but then
We're like twinnies,
no,
bro.
no. But this is very much
That's so
self-obsession. To Yukti, I was expecting that she would write Diksha, but she knows that Yukti was before Diksha. Sorry, Diksha. I love you, but
Thank you.
I also miss you in the video.
She
You
may
were
not want
supposed.
to watching the video. Huh?
She will. She watches my every video. Diksha, I miss you, and I hate you for not coming. One is, इस क्वेश्चन से पहले मुझे जानना है तुम लोग के फोन का है.
मेरा पूरा.
तेरा का है?
मैं बेच दिया.
कहाँ है तेरा फोन?
ये
Okay.
पड़ा है.
Okay. So tell me what are my current Instagram followers, which are not much, but still I want to know कि तुम कितना close हो.
रेंज चलेगी ना रेंज.
कितना 50 का रेंज दे सकते हैं?
जो ज्यादा क्लोज होगा उसको पॉइंट मिलेगा गाइस.
ये पेंसिल है.
Okay, for Sunidhi.
900 to 1000 की range.
So I will 1198 to 1220.
I wish, but इतने नहीं है. Sunidhi is correct. Sunidhi got me on Instagram. I'll tag my
Also
Instagram link.
learn the trick how to basically insert.
So please follow me there also. I am trying to be more active there. So next one is okay guys, it's very interesting. What do you think if I'll get a superpower one day and what I'll do? I mean, if I'll get one superpower.
So you want us to get the superpower, right?
Yeah. It's Sunidhi. Why are you hiding?
It's Shakalaka Boom Boom pencil. I think she'll want.
I think
She can
every
draw.
girl wants that.
No, I think she wants it because she can draw like her clothes.
Intelligent
and
answer.
Every girl wants it.
Yeah, so.
Every boy
This is
also
an
wants.
answer.
Okay, tell me
na?
what you have written. Okay.
I've written invisibility.
No, I don't. She
No,
wants.
I don't want to be invisible. I'm very self-obsessed girl. I'm a very social girl, so I don't want to be
Yeah.
invisible for life.
Or like a
She
nail.
always wanted to be on camera.
Okay, guys. So, okay, again, this one is also. I am hoping you guys should know. What is the last text I have done to you? I mean, last text. What I texted you last?
I think today only.
Yeah, today I texted
Then,
you.
yeah.
How could this be a competition?
So this is not a common answer. You don't need to hide. It is not a common thing.
But still.
Okay,
So I did
Sunidhi.
told you last YouTube video. Please share कर दे.
नहीं मेरा तो she said कि 3 बजे डन करते हैं.
So guys, we are on a tiebreaker situation right now. So I think of one question जो tie break करेगा. So I love Friends series. Everybody love, I know. So don't get excited. This is not the question. So what character in Friends defines me? I also don't know, guys. But जो भी मुझे answer थोड़ा सा relatable लगेगा और impressive लगेगा उसको मैं point दे दूँगी. So write with a reason, whom and why. Guys, please सोच समझ के देना. Gift है, if you remember. फ्रेंडशिप डे और रक्षाबंधन जिसको गिफ्ट चाहिए वो अच्छा
सच में है ना?
हाँ भाई है. So दीदी
मेरे हिसाब से I think Phoebe is the one you relate most to. She might be the most reckless one, weird, but she was the most
Phoebe.
optimistic who could actually figure out anything, the best scenario in any kind of worst one.
नंबर बनाने के लिए इतनी अच्छी तारीफें मत कर.
I actually mean it, yeah. I've
Phoebe,
seen
I
many
don't
other
think so.
situations.
What do you think, guys? If you know me, I think a big
Okay,
no
I'll tell
to
you. I'll
Phoebe.
tell.
Let's hear.
Okay, Sunidhi.
I think Rachel क्योंकि वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा fashion में थी. She always wanted to work in a fashion industry and move towards fashion. So I think तू Rachel से ज़्यादा relate करती है.
First
Just
of all,
because of a career thing.
She's
First
very
of all,
hot, guys.
yeah.
She's very hot. I take it as a compliment, but I don't.
No. It's because of the career that
So what
she
do you
went
think? I am
into.
not hot.
I'm not saying anything. I'm saying Rachel was really hot.
नहीं actually I go with Sunidhi because वो बहुत ही career oriented और fashion. She did so much struggle. I'm not saying that I did so much struggle, but I relate myself to her. And before also I got this thing. I've asked this question in my office previously. तो मुझे यही मिला था. So I think this goes to Sunidhi. I am sorry, Sarthak. Guys, मैं सच में जोक नहीं करती सुनीति. मैं सच में गिफ्ट लाई थी as you wanted. So I got 2 chocolates for you. If you want to share with us, you can.
No.
Definitely, but
मेरे साथ तो कर सकती है.
मैं जीती पूरी जीता.
okay, guys. So happy friendship to Sunidhi, and thanks for knowing me. But they did really good job, guys. Big thumbs up to them. Yes, they know me so. Okay, guys, that's it for the today's video. I hope you like it. It was fun filming with these 2 stupid ads. And guys, try to spend more time with your friends, family. Don't go out on friendship day. Sit at home, chill at home like we did, and we're gonna do entire day. And it will go to live tomorrow, as in on Raksha Bandhan it will go live. Guys, please give a big thumbs up to the video if you like it. Guys, say.
So subscribe.
Like, share and subscribe.
See, like, share and subscribe. And guys, also follow me on Instagram. I've already asked you to do so, but please follow me on Instagram.
Comment
tagging
below.
my Instagram below and comment down below what was your favorite part of the video, what question was fun for you, and also I'll tag their Instagram handles. You can also follow them there.
Don't.
Okay guys, goodbye. See you guys in the next video.